Part 2 of Saving Big Mama's house. We have gutted. Drywall is being installed and putting it back together. Very, very, very important to keep your job site clean, because daily it will be messy. So this here will be a walk-in closet eventually. This right here will be the primary or master bathroom. Walk-in shower, be a stand-up tub one day, toilet, vanity, skylights, very good natural light. And here, it's the master or the primary bedroom. Tried my luck with trying to get the paint off, it didn't work. Stone it is. That bump out has been added, that's being framed in, drywalled. And again, the very high vaulted ceilings. Kitchen. Laundry room. Walk-in pantry. Hallway bath. This will be an office space. We consider bedroom 1. This is bedroom 2. Bedroom 3. With a half bath, which eventually will be converting to a full bath when we get in phase 2 of the addition on the back of the home. She's coming along. Your window installed, bushes have been removed, waiting for the guy to come to stop up, grind up the stumps. Bump out from the outside. This at one point was the front door. Removed it, put in a window, put a nice little A-frame on it. And the door that was there is now here.